This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials so nothing stalls you. First, sign into your carrier account and verify there are no unpaid balances or active suspensions. This is the most common invisible blocker. Once done, note your device IMEI and account PIN and confirm the SIM fits your tray. Now power cycle. Turn off the phone, remove and reseat the SIM, then boot back up and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a network refresh. Next, you diagnose the middle-level configuration that often causes service loss. Inspect your APN and preferred network mode in cellular settings. Incorrect APN prevents data even when calls work. If data or registration fails, insert your SIM into a confirmed working handset to see whether the problem follows the SIM or the device. Meanwhile, force a carrier profile update or manual operator search so the phone re-registers on the network. Make sure to reboot after each change to apply settings correctly. Finally, apply definitive fixes and escalate if needed. If prior steps fail, perform a network settings reset. If that fails too, back up your data and run a factory reset as a last resort because it removes personalization but often clears deep software faults. Contact your carrier if problems persist. Request a provisioning reset, ask for a new SIM, and verify tower outages in your area. If service still won't restore, give the agent precise error messages and IMEI so they can escalate to Tier 2 for radio-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.